What's one contract clause you'd never agree to?
A contract clause I would never agree to. I personally would probably, I can't say never, I would never agree to a contract clause like this. I don't like seeing the shifting of attorney's fees. So people who aren't really aware of lawsuits or haven't been involved in litigation may not realize that what we call the American rule is that each person is responsible for their own cost of their own lawyer. That with some exceptions that are generally statutory in nature, you're going to pay for your own lawyer, no matter what. But there is a possibility in a contract, we see this in a lot of business contracts, that if there's a lawsuit, the winner of the lawsuit gets their attorney's fees paid by the other side. I like to avoid those because there's a lot of reasons someone could win a lawsuit, maybe on a technicality that don't necessarily mean that the other party did anything immoral or wrong, especially when we're talking about contracts. And then you find yourself paying for someone else's attorney's fees, which can be very expensive because you didn't read that provision in the contract. So I would just say be careful with attorney's fees provisions in business settings. I can't say I would never sign something like that, but it's just something I would make sure you're aware of.